Open the Souse app, select the device. Click Open button, the menu shows OL. An open indicator light turns blue. Click Stop button, the menu shows. An open indicator light turns off. Click Close button, the menu shows CL. An open indicator light turns red. When the internet is failure, the app will auto-switch to connect with Bluetooth. With the Bluetooth function helping, we also control the device by app within 5 meters.